Good morning, students. Yesterday we saw the first type of the conditional clauses. Today we can see type 2 and type 3. The type 2 is improbable or imaginary or hypothetical condition. To define that, a condition that may be theoretical combined with unreality. That is, the fact was not real. In that condition, we use the second type. The format for this is if plus subject plus past verb, that is V2, and in the main class we will be having subject would or could with verb 1, that is present tense. Example, if I had money. Here the had is not the past perfect and it is the past tense for have. So if I had money, I could buy a car. Here it is. I don't have money. So that is the fact there. So if I had money, I could buy a car. என்னிடம் பணம் இருந்திருந்தால் நான் கார் வாங்கியிருப்பேன். But in reality, I don't have money. The second one, if I were you, I would accept this offer. But in real, I cannot be you. So this is unreal situation. And the third example, if she won a medal, she would be uplifted. So here, she does not have much chance to win. So this is an imaginary condition or imaginary situation. From the above examples, we come to know that had is the past verb of have and were is the past plural verb. In the imaginary conditions, we must use only were for all the nouns, whether it is singular or plural. So if I is given there means we have to use in the imaginary condition were, the past plural verb only we have to use. அதாவது அந்த imaginary conditions வந்தால் அங்க நம்ம verb been தான் கொடுத்திருப்பாங்க. In that place we have to use only were. So in the third example, one is a past tense for the verb win. And we should use would or could in the main class. So when we see the example again, if I had money is the if condition. And in the main class, I could buy a car. So could or would plus V1, that is buy. So would plus V1 or could plus V1. So this is the type 2. And let's go to the type 3. Here, this type 3 is an impossible conditions or unfulfilled conditions. Here, this condition is impossible to fulfill. The form for this is if plus subject plus past perfect, that is had, plus verb 3, that is past participle of the verb given. So in the main class, we have to write I would have, subject plus would or could plus have plus V3. You listen, students. Whenever we write a past perfect verb or present perfect verb, have, has, had, we have to write only the verb 3 of the given verbs. Main verb we say that. Write means we have to write written. So that past participle verb. So whenever we have a past or present perfect verb, we have to use the main verb in the V3 format. For example, if I had slept on time, I would have got up early. Here, Had is the past perfect verb and slept is the V3 of the verb sleep. In the main class, I would have got up early. So would plus have plus the verb got, that is V3. Here the action is did not sleep on time. And so the result is not got up early. So the action is fulfilled and it may not be happen again. So in such cases, we use the type 3. The second example, if he had given his address, I could have visited him. Here, he did not give his address, so I could not visit. Hence, this condition is impossible or unfulfilled condition. In this action had finished already and this may not happen thereafter. So, this condition is type 3. So, again I am giving you the note that here the past perfect verb had should have the past participle verb of the main verb after it. That is had given, had written, had gone, had slept, etc. So, in the next class, we can see the inversion or begin with of the conditional clauses. Thank you.